You're gonna stay in the back? Okay, well, as long as one of you guys stay in the back. All right, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another upload of It's a Dyer thing. I'm here with Mr. Andre, with Mr. John, Mr. Sage, and myself. And this is gonna be the muddy day of, I don't know, whatever, it doesn't matter. We're just riding, but it's gonna be muddy as hell because it's been raining for the past few days. I'm not ready. Okay, let's go. So we are just now north of the Raglan pits, and this is actually Boundary Road here, and we're just going to kind of bypass. Oh no, it's not Boundary Road. This one here is, I can't remember which one this is. Sandy Hook maybe, or whatever. We're going to get onto Boundary Road, so we're going to take a bypass trail, but due to the fact that there has been a lot of rain over the past week, I'm expecting us to see a lot of mud and water crossings. Oh look, we already got our first water crossing here. Go to the left. This is the Trudeau Trail. Wow. Huh? Is this the Trudeau Trail? Yeah, it is. Yeah. Okay, give me a sec. Give me a sec. Nope, no, it's fine. Just follow my route. Because that wasn't deep there anyways, right? As long as you stay onto the sides. We're definitely going to get some washouts. There we go. You guys are through? Okay. Yeah. All right, stay to the right. It's up to you guys if you want to do it or not. Huh? Oh. Okay, wait. Okay. I was gonna say maybe you guys want to come onto the come onto this side. Yeah, I think so. Try on the Sage. You're gonna get in deep there, so John, I would say take your time. Yeah. All right, you're good. I would say try that side, John. I think it's almost slow. No, not fast, not fast, not fast. Wow. Okay, well, let's see how it goes, and if it gets really, can you imagine what Hog's Back is gonna be like? Wow, it's gonna be very interesting. You okay there, Andre? Wow. Yeah, the left side was shallow. Yeah. Off-road mode. Still a lovely forest, eh? But this is what they were saying about, even about the Ganaraska. Because of all the caterpillars, they've been eating all the leaves that normally you would go in and it'll be like full of foliage. It's like as if you're going in and it's fall time because all the leaves are eaten, right? It was just absolutely unbelievable how much damage these caterpillars did. Yeah, I don't know if it's kind of like a cycle of every couple of years or so, or yeah. Sharp left coming up here. Yeah, go right side and let me know when you're through. It's soupy. You guys are through? Sharp left. Yep. We're gonna stay on this trail here just to get around the yep. Watch the banks are a little bit slippery anyways, right? So good, following. Right. Oh man. Well, these are not, yeah, they're not deep, right? Because they're not deep sections. Just take your time. Because this is a flat trail anyways, right? It's not going to be deep, so. Wow, even those tiniest little things, I bottom out. Wow, there's a water crossing up here. No, because there's nothing there really, right? So because it's not a deep section, right? So I'd say, yeah. That's fine. Because it's not deep. It's only like shallow, right? Because there was no crevasse or anything in there. I'm going this side. It's gonna be drier here. A lot of cars came through here today. You guys okay? Alright, this is where we're going to get into a couple more wet spots. Oh, cars. Wow, we got lots of Jeeps here. Nice. Yeah. Okay, now floor it real fast. No, I'm kidding. I thought she's a typical woman, eh? As you guys are like right on this side. Whoosh. If it's like this, we can deal as long as it's yeah, it doesn't look like there's been too many people. I can see probably the two quads that came through. It doesn't look to be too bad. As long, and again, it's been so dry that it, you know, thank God a lot of it gets soaked up here. So. Remember, we got this really big, deep, sketchy one that we always have to go around. Okay, what do we normally do here? We normally go on the... No, we normally go on the right side. Yeah. It's because that is deep. If I recall, that is deep. So literally stick to this side. Take your time. Take your time. Don't go in. Don't go in. Okay. Yeah. Not that edge is super deep, but yeah. It kind of mushes it up, right?
Last one, because the first one, I dropped it over there, and when I passed, I felt the rear went, and after that it was broken.
Oh! Oh! Too easy for you, John. It's not fair. It's not fair.